Sensibility and practicality define the 2012 Acura TL. This four-door, five-passenger sedan offers the features and options for which you've been searching. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated six-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Acura prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, a trip computer, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, automatic temperature control, and power seats. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.